Welcome to ATK Kids, where we ask and answer some of the most delicious food questions kids have. Like, what is umami? Umami is a taste. It's often described as meaty or savory. To understand it, we should talk about how taste works. Taste buds inside your mouth and on your tongue tell you whether a food is sweet, sour, salty, bitter, or umami. Each of those 5 tastes has its own set of receptors, and compounds called glutamates fit into the umami receptors in your mouth. That causes you to taste umami. Who knew our mouths were so sophisticated? Foods like soy sauce, miso, Parmesan cheese, and mushrooms will all give you that umami rush. But did you know? Anchovies, tomatoes, and beef are chock full of glutamates, but they also contain other chemical compounds called nucleotides that amplify their umami taste. Talk about small but mighty. Want more fun food science? Check out the complete cookbook for young scientists by America's Test Kitchen Kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more from ATK Kids.